welcome back to my channel. I am back with another one, and today we are introducing our flyest model. We have here today my beautiful sister, my twinnie MJ. So we'll be doing her makeup and her hair, but unfortunately that didn't work out. As you see, my sister is on the phone. We are currently talking to our mom. So you know, when mom calls, we drop everything else. So for today, I am not doing a full beat. I am just doing her makeup how she would normally wear it, with foundation and her eyebrows on fleek. My sister is a trip. That girl thought I was going to spray the setting spray in her nostrils, so she covered her nostrils and her eyes. I can't believe you, MJ. Don't do me like that. Okay, so those are the things I will be using today. So you need your braiding hair, your edge control, your comb, your hair tie, your brush, whatever you need to get your base laid to create that sleek braided ponytail. Just go ahead and grab those hair products and come on back, honey. So today we're creating a high long braided ponytail. So to do that, we need to first create the base for a ponytail. So I am just going ahead and creating her ponytail at the top of her head, because that's where I wanted to sit, right at the apex, honey. So I'm smoothing that hair out. I am making sure it is sleek, and I'm going to go ahead and use a hair tie, or in this case I'm using a rubber band to secure that hair. Okay guys, so just go ahead, create your ponytail where you want it to lay. If you want a top high ponytail or a low sleek ponytail, just go ahead and just tie that hair back whichever way you want it. Create your base and then we'll get started. So guys, the only product I'll be using for this sleek high braided ponytail is some edge control, because her hair is processed, so it is easy to get it sleek and laid. So all I'm using is some edge control. This way, when she takes her hair down, she won't have a buildup of products in her hair. Okay, so that's all I'm using. So you can use whatever you want to, whether you want to use gel, you want to use jam, some edge control, whatever you want to use that will get your hair laid and snatched. Just go ahead and use those, honey. So my sister doesn't wear baby hairs. She doesn't like her edges like out in baby hairs. So I'm just doing a sleek, pulled all the way in ponytail. Okay, so we're getting ready to create our long butt length braided ponytail. So to do that, we need a good base. So after we got that hair as sleek as we can up into that top ponytail, we are going to add the braiding hair. And as I said, this is some inexpensive braiding hair that I got at the beauty supply store like months ago. Okay, so I have 2 packs, and I'm going ahead and feathering out the ends of this braiding hair. So guys, she cannot stop with that phone. So I'm just feathering out that hair, and I'm going to create her ponytail. Guys, I want you to comment below how many times my sister looks at her phone and takes a selfie. Comment down below. Comment below. Let's see who gets it correct. So as you can see, for this braided ponytail, I went ahead and separated her natural hair into 3 strands. And then I am just using that braided ponytail in 2 strands. This is as simple as you can get it. So the 3rd strand to start that braid will be only her natural hair. Remember, I'll be adding braiding hair as I go along. So I have just added my 2nd piece of braiding hair, and now that strand that had only her natural hair now has a piece of braiding hair to lengthen it. So if you want a more detailed tutorial on how to braid or add braiding hair, just go ahead and comment below and I'll do that one for you guys. But if you don't know how to add braiding hair and you want to do this hairstyle like right now, honey, just go ahead and use your braiding hair as it is. You don't have to add any braided hair to lengthen the ponytail. You can use expressions here that gets up to, well, about knee length. So if you use that here, then you get your braided hair as long as you want it. But if you have the regular canicolon hair, then just do what I do. Just start off with the 2-strand, and then as you braid along your natural hair, you can add a piece or add pieces of those 2 strands into the 3rd strand to finish that ponytail. So I could have actually left the braid like this without actually going in and wrapping a piece of hair around the base, because as you can see, it was seamlessly attached to her hair. Okay, I gotta give myself props for this one. It was seamlessly attached, so there was no need for me to go in and wrap that piece of hair on the base. But if you so wish, you can go ahead and you can braid a piece of braiding hair, pre-braid it, then wrap it, or you can do what I did, which was the short version. I just looped that hair around the base, honey, and then I just created a twist and I wrapped it around and I pinned it. Don't forget to secure that braid. It is not your hair, you don't want it slipping, so make sure you secure that braid. So as I said, this is my twin. We both love gold in our hair, period. Okay, so I'm just going ahead and adding some gold strings to her ponytail, as we all love. I'm just doing that in a crisscross pattern, nothing too difficult. We all can do this. So you can go ahead right here and add any accessories you'd like for your ponytail. If you'd like to add some of those worded hair clips, some of those hair cuffs, anything you'd like to add. If you want to have curly ends, do a boho ponytail, just add some curly hair to the end of the ponytail. Guys, you can do this thing anyhow you please. Whatever floats your boat, just rock with it. Okay, so we're almost done, and as you can see, my sissy boo loves her ponytail. Look at her. Yeah, so you'll be seeing her much more often on my channel, so go ahead and give her some love. My twin, MJ. So guys, if you like this video, if you'd like to see more, just go ahead and subscribe, turn your notifications on, leave me a thumbs up, show me some love in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one.